how to set up automatic reply in Outlook on your phone. Now this is very simple. First, open up your Safari. After you've opened up Safari, search for Outlook and then click on the top link that you find, and then this page will load up. First, you need to log in. Now what you need to do is click on the three horizontal lines on the top left corner. After doing so, scroll down till you find settings, and then under settings you'll find an email section. Now there you will find automatic replies. Click on it and then you can turn it on. Now you can reply to everyone, or you can select that off. But if you want to reply to everyone, you can write a reply to everyone. Then press run and then click on the tick button, and then you're done. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and stay tuned for more upcoming videos.